Kawasudo ni jatugo Edward Mwangi gi Mary Karano bedo jaloch kata joloch mag tuke mag golf mosir kod bengi mar NCBA ma obagi alap ma Vetlab Sports Club. Mwangi tiyo thuolo bang' yudo points 46 kendo yombo jatugo Sunir Parmar mane otiyo thuolo mar ariyo gi points 38. Karano noyombo nyiri wetene kendo tieko e thuolo mokwongo gi points 36. Tielo mar Vetlab noywayo jotugo maromo 224 ka tielo mabiro chieng' ngeso ibiro bagi e boma ma Nanyuki. Joloch nong'ado tiko mar yore finals ma ibiro bagi giko higani e lap ma Muthaiga Golf Club.
Today competition, we had so many ladies who are playing alongside the men, and I happened to be the ready winner. In fact, I was defending because even last year I was the ready winner. And I'm so happy even to be the ready winner this year, where I'll be representing my club at Muthaiga in November, God willing.
Zitwa was the winner for the Vetlab edition of the NCBA Golf Series earlier in the day. I must say I enjoyed the whole experience. I had a flight of 4 fellow golfers. The course is playing very well. The greens are very fairly fast, but once you get your act going on the first and the second one, it became easy to roll.